Hot Wheels 94 Audi Avant RS2. The Avant RS2 may look like it's just a 5-door luxury wagon from the outside, but this limited edition model from Audi is a true sports car. The RS2 could reach a top speed of 163 miles per hour. The designer of this casting is Ryu Asada, and the first casting released in 2021. The color of the car is Casablanca white with black plastic base. The detail of the tampo is detailed headlights, grille, and tail lights, Audi logo and Audi Avant RS2 logo on front and rear. Now let's swap the wheels.